So hey guys, today we are working on a project called Library Management System, and if you are new here, my name is Hriday and I'm starting my coding journey with Java as my programming language, and for that I'm working on 4 coding projects, and this is number 4. It's called a Library Management System, handling books, etc. So this is continuation of what happened in the previous block. In case you don't know, I'm starting to build classes, and today we are starting with the book class. So today is the actual coding, and based on how it goes, we'll work on building out the rest of the code over the coming few days. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, I just wanted to show you what I've been working on from morning, but unfortunately the time lap didn't record. So what basically I did all the morning is working on the book class. So I just finished having all the properties, getter and setter methods, and I've written method for checking the availability and also to update the book status. So now what's the problem is, because in a library a same book may have multiple copies, so we need some way to update this. So what I'm thinking is, when a new book is added in the library class, I have to start working on the library class tomorrow morning. So yes, bit of spoiler, right? Okay. So when a new book is added a new book is added in the library class, what happens is it will take the name of the book and it will check against the book list, which contains all the information regarding a book. So if it finds a name, we have to work on the matching criteria. If it finds a name, it will update the status in the library class, and if not, it will create a new entry. So what I'm thinking is there should be another database class which holds all the files, all the master files. So when a program starts, this library will have a file which will import the required data from the database class. So every time a program is run, it is so whatever the file that library has, we can consider it to be a temp class. So example, book details or any other details that we're going to work on for in the project will be loaded in the database. We'll create multiple files, and all the master archives will be in the database. So if anything happens here, this database will have all the files, and this will require it will take as much as files as required. And because whatever operational file will be in the library and any other class, we don't need to connect database. We can just connect library, or if it makes sense, database. So what I'm thinking is, tomorrow I have to start working on library class, because all these remaining features, updating status and updating copy count, will have to be done only via library class. So that is the current status. So tomorrow morning I will get back to you. So hey guys, this is the next day, and from morning what I've been doing is figuring out the data structures and what files I should be implementing. And although I worked with text files in the previous 2 projects, what I've decided, like I was thinking through this with ChatGPT, and what I decided is I will try JSON, as if this project is already not complicated enough. So it took me time to add this JSON, Google's version of JSON format. As you can see here, it is more like some of the benefits and stuff. What it helps me, I think it sounds ideal for what I want to do, like with my books and also with membership details. So this is what I'm thinking of doing. Like, I'm learning about serialization and deserialization. Serialization is converting Java object to JSON, and deserialization is what the opposite, JSON to Java object. For that, I'm looking at different data structures like dictionary and list and stuff. So can I show you? So I have finally figured out how to add the JSON library. As you can see, this both serialization and deserialization works. So this is a test case. So now what I'm trying to do next is work on adding books, create a sample books, so that I can then create a database class and have some data to start using between library class and database class. I will work on it and I will update you. We'll see what we can do for this week. So hey guys, today I have a bit of lot of things to do. So I just woke up early. Time is around. I can't see it clearly. So it's around 7:49, and I hope to get some coding done before I have to leave. That's the status for today and tomorrow. It's a bit uncertain, so I just want to get to it and check things after this. Hey guys, this is the next day. Added some code today. So mainly I did a small menu system so that I can add a book, remove book, and display all the book. And if you see here, this is a like books, like data that I need to enter, so I can start testing the program. Like while entering this add a book, there's a small issue here, like it doesn't recognize this and directly goes to the title. So that's what I'm going to focus on Monday. I just wanted to make this so that I can conclude this week's progress. So as you can see in the previous clip, that I just started fleshing out the library class. So that's an improvement. Like we started writing the code for book class and then library class. So my hope is just fix the small issue that I just showed you, and so that we can have some data. So what we have to do next is we have to link it with database class, so that there's a communication between uh, like what all the books data between library class and database. And we have to start working with JSON, which I never done before. So that is the aim for next week. After doing that, we can work on search functionality, but that's too far in the future. But I do want to say, after doing all these things, we also have to do this members data and everything, similar process to this. And also like book status, whether it is available, updated, like lost or borrowed. These are two separate classes which we have to do, so that we can complete the program. Like I can have some, I'm able to have some a big picture idea right now. So but as I said again, let's not look too far in the future. So yeah, we started with the library class. We just hope to check each task one by one next week. But that's for it. That's it for today and this vlog. Let me know how you like it. See you in the next one.